Hi guys, this is another unit of 20D that I have. Show you guys the front part, one side, the other side, the top, the bottom. This one, the condition is not as good as the other one because the battery compartments like this. But it works fine. Just that you need to push it down. The other one also is the same. The other also you need to push down to make sure that it works reliably. So the battery that I use is the same as the Canon 5D Mark I. So it's the BP511A. Okay, so you need to push it down to make sure it works reliably. Turn on. So you can see that it works. No CF card. Show you that it can focus. Put one hand, push down. Yeah. Why is there no sound? Okay, maybe I need to on the sound. It's on. How come got no sound? Let me see. Okay. Yeah, it works. Don't know why there's no beep when I do like this, but when I put it on when I use it on my hand, it works. Maybe it's not focusing. Okay, I just realized that for this unit, the beeping doesn't work, or at least doesn't work reliably for the beeping. So I'll lower down the price to compensate for it. But the focusing, it works. Yeah, so it works, just that it doesn't beep. I'm not sure why. Yeah, there you go. It works, just that it doesn't work well fully. Here is loose, so we need to press down. Yeah, there you go. Canon 20D. Any question, please feel free to reach out, and thank you everyone for watching this. If you find this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share. And thank you everyone. Bye. God bless.